Hey there. So great you could join me today. Today we're going to install a happy little TV mount. All right, let's dive in. We're going to install the EGLF3, a delightful full motion TV mount. I can't wait. Almost everything you need is in the box, but we're going to need a few extra tools. We'll run those across the bottom of the screen. After you select the correct hardware for your TV, we will attach these lovely little brackets to the back of your TV. Just tuck those little bolts right in there. Next, we need to mark the studs on our wall. I'm going to use this lovely ECHOGEAR orange, but you can use any color you want. Listen to your heart. Now I want to introduce you to my lovely little friend, the wall plate template now. We use the wall plate template so we don't have to drill a bunch of unnecessary holes in our beautiful canvas here. And now we're going to take our little friend here, drill. It's kind of like a bird friend, kind of like a woodpecker, just pecking into the tree. Peck, 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 peck. Now it's time to attach this wall plate to the wall. And depending on your comfort level, you may want to ask a friend, a parent, or a partner to help you out. And where I come from, there's nothing wrong with that. And now we're going to attach the extensions. I like to think of these like tree branches. Now you want to secure them down with these little screws to make sure they're not all blowing in the wind. Isn't that lovely? And now it's time to hang the TV. There we go, just a delight. Once the TV is on, we need to secure it with these special little brackets. Wow, it's a full motion mount, so when you pull it out, it adds a lot of depth and distance. Just gives it a little personality. And ever so softly, tilt that TV down to eliminate glare. And this cable management right here allows you to hide those unsightly cables. Yeah, just tuck them in right here. Yep, just right there. And there you go. Pretty as a picture. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.